Privity. Privity is an important issue with respect to the dissouye, and what that means is a spouse may not use his or her spouse's dissouye. Let's use an example. Assume Joe dies first, and as a result, Mary has a dissouye, $5 million of his estate, because he's left everything to her. Assume further that Mary then marries Herb. If Mary predeceases Herb, then Herb can use Mary's exclusion. In other words, Herb gets a dissouye from her. He gets her $5 million, assuming he left everything to her. But he doesn't also get Mary's dissouye derived from Joe. In other words, you can't go from marriage to marriage to marriage, and you have a $5 million, then you have a $10 million, then you have a $15 million exemption. I mean, that would be great. Then we would be doing a lot of prenups to cover everything else except for the dissouye, all right? So again, it's very important. You mentioned the prenup. Prenup isn't going to help you. What helps you is, I guess, not get married. Okay, and there's some other things that you might think of doing instead of making the election for the dissouye, which again would result in some more work for us. The dissouye also applies for the gift tax. The surviving spouse gets the benefit of the predeceased spouse's unused exemption for gift tax purposes as well. So in other words, what that means is you can use the dissouye, surviving spouse can use the dissouye at death or during life. She can, in my example, husband leaves everything to her, she's got a $10 million dissouye, turn around to make a $10 million gift to her kids and not have to pay any gift taxes. Because the dissouye works for gift taxes as well. Okay.